Hey, that's Mike and Holly, Alex, Eddie, and Kelsey.
Okay guys, so mommy had to go and get my blood work done. So we dropped off Alex at her class and I came and got my blood work done, and I told Chelsea it's just gonna be a quick appointment. She was not happy. She did not want to come. But it was kind of a learning lesson because I got to tell her all about like why I have to have it done, how they do it. She was asking different questions. They took my heart rate and they took my blood pressure and they took my weight, like all that stuff.
And I like saw everything. It was like, oh.
You saw everything. I was like, you don't have to look. Like I told her.
I saw the blood. It was super gross. I cannot look at it.
I told her you could go sit down, like, oh, there's a spot to sit, like, kind of diagonal from me, and you don't have to look. And we brought her cubby and my phone so she could play on there. But she did just stand there and kind of watch, right?
I can still see the blood.
No, that's just a Band-Aid. I have a Band-Aid on. So I had to get my blood work taken for my thyroid. So I've had thyroid issues for years, and sometimes they have to tweak my medicine a little bit. So she recently changed my medicine a little. So I had to get it checked to see if it made a difference or not. So now I'll just have to find out. They'll probably want me to make an appointment. It's so frustrating because the doctors want you to make appointments all the time. And it's just like, I just need to know, like, if you need to change my medicine. I don't need to see the doctor. Like, just look at my medicine and change it if it needs to be changed. I don't know why, other than, you know, they probably get paid more for that or something. I don't know. So anyway, we are done and we're gonna go back to Alex's class to pick her up, but we'll probably get there a few minutes early so that we could play our monster game. Chelsea always wants to play her monster game, so I said maybe we'll have enough time to go play the monster game. All right, we are making corn muffins to go along with dinner tonight. So we have Jiffy, we have a helper, we have eggs. Oh, I forgot to get the milk. So we're just gonna make really easy, what you got going on? Muffins. And then we're making baked potato, I guess, mac and cheese. And we had these breadcrumbs. So we had chicken in the fridge and we're like, what should we do with this chicken? And then we had these breadcrumbs in there and I said, well, let's just like make them with breadcrumbs. So we're gonna make, or I'm gonna make like a chicken parmesan, but without the sauce and spaghetti noodles. It's just gonna be the chicken part of the chicken parmesan. So we've got breadcrumbs to use up. Where's my helper? Ayo, get over here. All right, dump the corn muffin mix into the bowl. Are you winking at me? That's so silly. There you go. I'm gonna try some.
Ooh, this one might be good. I'm gonna try that chunk.
Make sure it's not too big because it's a really dry mixture. No, that's too big. Smaller because it's a really dry mixture, so.
Whoops. No!
Okay. Good? So good. Okay, pour the milk in. Here you go. Milk. Quit eating it. Milk. Dun, 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 dun. Crack it in there. Harder. There you go. Make sure we don't have any egg. Is there any egg in there? Are you good? That looks good.
Take it. Ew.
Ooh. All right, dump that egg in and mix it up.
I want some more, but I'll get some more when I actually baked it.
Yeah, when they're cooked. Such rage on baking.
Let's squish it. Yeah.
Hiya.
Yeah.
Ooh. It is so super nice out. They said the humidity is like way down and you can feel it.
Even though
Yeah, there's even
Almost so cool.
not
Yeah.
cool, but
Not
like,
cool, but like not hot. That's the key word. Not a cloud in the sky. My goodness. Yes, this is, yeah, once in a while we get lucky and have a nice day and, well, nice evening because the day's like over, but what are we golfing now? Oh gosh. There you go.
when you don't manage your chip bags.
I went to have chips and salsa and I grabbed these because they were the first ones I saw that had been opened. Listen.
They have been in there for probably months.
And I didn't realize I was supposed to grab.
Yeah, so I bought Walmart, for whatever reason, had a whole bunch of their cantina style for 98 cents a bag.
They're really good. These are really
98 cents a bag. So I grabbed like 4 or 5 of them.
There's a whole bunch of, for whatever reason,
And
this
those
one,
have been around. And I bought those bags. We could probably look at like the food vlog like a month or so ago.
this one's been just up there. Nobody bothered to throw it away, I guess. I go to eat a chip and I'm like, oh.
It doesn't crunch, it just
And Michael's
smushes.
Like, Michael's like, yeah, that one's been up there a while. Why didn't you throw it away?
They're your chips. You manage your chips. I eat the the lime ones.
Yeah,
Tostitos lime.
Michael likes the lime ones, which are okay. They just have like a chemical-y taste to them to me.
Yeah, they're terrible. You don't want to eat those.
Because you don't want me to eat your chips. No, I love these.
No, those are actually good. Those Walmart cantina style.
Cantina style tortilla chips, gluten-free. If you need that sort of thing. But yeah, those are really good. 98 cents. So I'm in having my snack and I remembered, oh, I have my peppers in there to eat with my guacamole. I like to dip them in my guacamole. What does it look like to you?
A mini normal sized green pepper.
No?
Red pepper.
No?
Yellow pepper.
Well, no. To me, it looks like a pumpkin. Looks like
Oh.
a little pumpkin, doesn't it?
Yeah, I guess now that you say that.
I picked it out of the bag. Okay, Michael gets me these peppers. I love these mini peppers. They're so good.
I vlogged it because Chelsea likes the red ones.
I eat all the yellow and the orange ones, and I try to save the red ones for her. But then, like, I'll have to pay attention because if she doesn't eat them fast enough, they'll go bad. So I'll go ahead and eat them. This is the last orange one. The rest of them are red.
Oh, I bought a red heavy bag.
Yeah.
I went through all the bags and that was the reddest.
That's good. But now I'll have to keep an eye on them because if she doesn't eat them, they'll get like moldy or, you know, they just kind of get slimy, gross. But this is the last orange one. I was like, oh, it looks like a little pumpkin just in time for fall.